Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to read a new poem. This is Macavity the Mystery Cat, written by one of the famous poet T.S. Eliot, taken up from your textbook Honeydew, class 8th English. Macavity the Mystery Cat. Here we are going to read about the supernatural powers of a cat. This cat is not like an original cat. It is different from the original ones. Here we are going to know about his magical powers. The Mystery Cat, Macavity the Mystery Cat, written by T.S. Eliot, is a long poem about a villainous and wicked cat. The poem describes how he manages to commit all types of crimes and always escapes from being caught. He was a mastermind. He used to do crimes and vanishes himself always. He breaks all the laws, yet the police fails to catch him. He also has some alibi, means his companion in crime. They all together do crime. The poem is light in tone and the theme is not serious. It is a humorous in nature. We will discuss each stanza in detail, line by line, and also learn the meanings of difficult words. Macavity is a mystery cat because no crime agency was ever able to arrest this criminal mastermind during or after his committing a crime. His brows are deeply lining as a result of continuous planning of crime. Macavity has sunken eyes and his head is highly domed. So this poem is written by one of the famous poet T.S. Eliot. So we have to know about, in brief, T.S. Eliot. So let's move on or proceed to. Here see, T.S. Eliot was born on 26th of September 1888 and died on 4th of January 1965. Thomas Estienne Eliot was an American-British poet, essayist, publisher, playwright, literary critic and editor. He was born in St. Louis, Missouri and moved to England in 1914 at the age of 25. And went on to settle, work and marry there. Eliot is considered one of the 20th century's major poets. He was also known for his 7 plays. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1948 for his outstanding pioneer contribution to present-day poetry. We have to see few of the important works of T.S. Eliot. See, here few of the books we are going to see. His famous works were, in poem section, we are seeing he wrote The Waste Land, The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock, The Hollow Man. As we see the pictures of the textbook too. In the play section, Murder in the Cathedral, The Cocktail Party. This poem is adapted from the one of the famous books, Old Possum's books of practical cats. It was begun in 1934 to 35. The separate poems were intended as gifts for the children of friends and the poet's godchildren. A volume called Mr. Eliot's Book of Political Cat and Jekyll Cats was promised in 1936, but it never made print. And this one is the first creation for the younger ones. Let's proceed to the theme of the poem. The theme of the poem, Macavity, the mystery cat, is mysterious nature of Macavity. The poet describes how he commits all types of crimes, but no police can find out or arrest him. Before anybody could catch him, he vanishes away and nobody knows where he is because of his supernatural power, because of his magical powers. When he used to do crime, and after that when police wants to catch him, at the time he just vanishes himself and nobody was able to catch him at the time of the crime or at the place of the crime. See, the poem is about a mystery cat named Macavity, who is not like ordinary cat. He is a criminal who has broken all the laws and has become a problem for the police. He cannot be discovered from the crime scene. His powers are supernatural. There is no one like Macavity. He is a devil in the shape of a cat. He is a monster which can be seen anywhere but not on a crime scene. So he has supernatural powers. So at the time of the crime scene, no one was able to catch him. No one was able to caught him due to his powers. Here we have to see the summary first. Then after that we have to go for the explanation section, stanza wise. The poet has discussed a cat who is very mysterious named Macavity. He is also called the hidden paw because he is the master criminal who has broken all laws and has become a headache for the Scotland Yard. The flying squad was whenever they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. He has broken the law of gravity and can fly in the air. Macavity is a ginger cat, very tall and thin. He has sunken eyes, deeply linked eyebrow, highly domed head. His coat is dark brown. His whiskers are uncombed. He moves like a snake and is wide awake. When one thinks he is half asleep, P is missing from here, asleep. He is a very smart cat and is a double in the same of a cat. A monster of depravity. Why is missing, depravity. He can be seen anywhere but not on a scene of crime. Here we recite a poem. Children, you have to keep your textbook with yourself and just repeat with me. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can define the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Macavity, Macavity, there's no one like Macavity. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fucky stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. Macavity is a ginger cat. He's very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake, and when you think he's half asleep, he is always wide awake. Macavity, Macavity, there's no one like Macavity, for his friend is feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime's discovered, then Macavity is not there. So we have to proceed for our explanation, stanza by stanza. Here, Macavity is a mystery cat. He's called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can define the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the Flying Scots' despair, for when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. In this stanza, the poet says that Macavity is a mystery cat and is known by the name of Hidden Paw. Hidden Paw, a symbol of crimes and cruelties, that is Napoleon. He is known as Hidden Paw because he is the master criminal and can defy means disobey the law. Defy means disobey the law. His the bafflement means confusion. Bafflement means confusion of Scotland Yard, and despair means pain of the flying squad. Because the police always try to catch him, na? At the time, he was just vanishes himself. So that's why he is the bafflement means confusion of Scotland Yard, and despair means pain of the flying squad. A branch of the flying squad means a branch of the serious and organized crime command within London's Metropolitan Police Service. Their squad purpose is to investigate robberies. In the other words, he has made the police of Scotland confused, because when the police reaches the scene of crime, means after commits the mistake, he vanishes away. He vanishes away. So here we have to know about the meanings of the difficult words mentioned here. Stanza 2. Macavity, Macavity, there's no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. You may see him in the basement. You may look up in the air. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. The poet repeats the word Macavity. It suggests that police are searching for him everywhere. According to the poet, there is no one like Macavity, as he has broken every human law as well as the law of gravity. Law of gravity here means that no one can vanish away, but Macavity does. Means floating on the air. He used to float on the air. So he has supernatural powers. So he used to break the law of gravity too. So Macavity's power of levitation. Levitation means floating in the air of vanishing or vanishing away. Can make a fakir. Fakir, we can say a people like a sadhu, a religious man or sadhu, we can say. So Macavity's powers of levitation means float in the air or vanishing away, can make a fakir, religious man or sadhu, we can say, stare, surprise. After committing a crime, he vanishes away. So when anybody reaches the scene of the crime, he will not be able to find him, though he may search him on the ground or below or in the air, or means above or below. So the poet tells again that he is not there. It is useless to search for him. Due to his supernatural powers, he used to vanishes away. He used to float in the air. So no one was able to catch him. Move to stanza 3. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. The poet T.S. Eliot proceeds to describe the cat by telling us that he is brown in color, very tall and thin in body. The poet introduces him as ginger cat. Means this cat looks like a ginger, slim, trim, and he has a brown in color. So the poet introduces him as a ginger cat, as he is tall and thin. One will know that if he sees him, his eyes are sunken in, his eyebrows are deeply lined with thought. Like we can say, make him look like a villain. His head is domed, means round. Domed means round. His coat is dusty, as he does not keep himself clean. His whiskers are uncombed, and he keeps swaying or moving his head from one side to the other, that are similar to the movements of a snake. When someone would think that he is half asleep, in reality he is awake and in a complete sense. So here we can see that the poet compares the Macavity with a ginger, because he looks like a ginger. He was very tall and thin, and he has brown color. Here we can see that his whiskers are uncombed, and he keeps swaying, moving his head from one side to the another, that are just similar to the movements of a snake. So when someone would think that he is half asleep, in reality he is awake and in a complete sense. Move to stanza 4th. Macavity, Macavity, there's no one like Macavity, for he is fine in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime's discovered, then Macavity is not there. Here, according to the poet, no one is like Macavity. In his devil'sness, we can say because of his devil'sness, no one was like a Macavity, as he is a fiend. Fiend means evil spirit or demon, and in feline means cat's shape. Feline means cat's shape, species, families of cat. So he is a monster of depravity, like he is morally corrupt. Depravity, we can say morally corrupt. Immortality. So one can find and meet him in a by street, means private street, we can say, a side street. But after his crime, or in the square, means mall, we can say mall, an open space in the center of a town. But after his crime is discovered, he vanishes away and cannot be found. So here, according to the poet, no one is like Mekaviti due to his devil's nest. He is not like a original cat. He is different from the other cats because he has supernatural power. He has magical power. So as he is fine means evil spirit or demon, in feline means cat's shape. He is a monster of depravity because he is morally corrupt. So one can find and meet him in a by street or in the square or means mall. But after his crime is discovered, he vanishes away and cannot be found. Here we have to see the word meanings of difficult words. Mystery means something that is difficult to understand. Defy means disobey. Flying squad, a group of police or soldiers ready to move into action. Levitation, floating in the air. Fiend, devil, feline, of or relating to a cat or the species of a cat. And depravity means moral corruption, means morally corrupted. So children, hope you understand the poem. You go through the poem properly. You just recite it once, twice and thrice. You understand the concept well. Thank you children for watching.